sponsored to engineering students, that is for BE, BTech and MTech. To know all the details about this scholarship, keep watching the video till the end. The Micron Foundation is proud to present the URAM Scholarship Program 2.0, a platform that celebrates academic brilliance and fosters the STEM career among students across the India. This scholarship initiative aims to recognize and support the students regardless of gender and disability who are pursuing their technical higher education in the field of computer science engineering, electricals and electronics engineering and electronics and computer engineering. Let's dive into incredible benefits of URAM Scholarship Program. The foundation sponsors a scholarship to a deserving candidate. Each scholarship provides support valued at $1,000, that is approximately 80,000 rupees in Indian currency. And the scholarship covers tuition and examination fees, hostel and boarding fees, software and hardware essentials, books, specialized courses and upskilling, participation in conferences including travels, and research and project related expenditures. Now the question is, who can apply for this scholarship? Both men and women engineer and person with disability who are pursuing third year of BE or BTech, that is who are in the 5th semester, or the first year MTech student belong to ECE, CSE or EEE branch. Student must have secured a minimum CGPA of 8 and family income of the student must be less than 8 lakhs rupees. If you feel that this scholarship is not matching up with your profile, then visit our site, that is the globalscholarship.org, where you will find multiple scholarships and you can apply for them. Here are some essential instructions to be followed before applying. The scholarship applications will be accepted only online. Ensure that all mandatory fields are filled. Each candidate is allowed only with one application. So ensure it is complete with all the required documentation like semester-wise marks card attested by your university registrar, student ID proof, Aadhaar card, bona fide certificate, income certificate, student passport size photograph along with a resume, recommendation letter from your professor or the HOD, and disability certificate if you are applying under PWD category. Incomplete or the late applications will not be considered. Please make a note that submission of application form doesn't guarantee selection for the scholarship. Before moving to apply process, if you find the content valuable, then please show us some support by like, share and subscribing our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. Now hit the link given in the description box and let's move on to the application. Make sure before filling out every detail, read out all the instructions carefully. Let's begin with entering the personal details. The special instruction to be given here is all the details what you are going to fill should be in a capital letter. So first begin with a prefix, that is Miss or a Mr. Then enter your family name, enter your first name, select your date of birth, then enter your address along with the street, city, pin code, country, then enter your mobile number, enter your email ID, select the gender accordingly, select the category which is applicable for you. Are you a single parent child, orphan? Select the option accordingly. Then click on the checkbox where it says whether you are suffering with any disability, select yes or no accordingly. Then let's fill out the academic details like your college or the university name, the state you belong to, institution roll number or the ID card. Then upload the copy of the ID card. Then select your degree program what you are studying, that is BE, BTech, dual degree or MTech. Select your majors, that is which branch you belong to, electrical and electronics engineering, computer science or electronics communication. Then select your current field of study, that is like BE, BTech or MTech, and current year which you are studying in, that is as the scholarship is applicable from third year of BE, so select the option. Then enter the expected graduation date, your CGPA till date, then overall CGPA, then enter your semester wise CGPA, semester 1, 2, 3, 4 accordingly. Then browse a file which indicates the consolidated mark sheet of all this semester. Then please give the details if you have bagged any scholarship from government or private organization. If yes, then please provide the details of the same. Then statement of the purpose for the scholarship, why do you need the scholarship and how important it is for you. Then upload your resume. Then enter your academic accolades, that includes your research, publication, scientific purpose, patents, etc. Then please mention the details that you want to share with selection committee, like why this scholarship is important for you. That might be the trainings and the workshops you have attended and proofs of the same. If you have certificates, please do upload that. If any other additional information you have, write it in words of 250 to 300. Then attach the Aadhaar ID card, enter your Aadhaar number. Please share your family income, that is under 5 lakhs, between 5 to 8 lakhs or greater than 8 lakhs. Then please upload the income certificate. Upload the recommendation letter which you have from your professors or HODs. Attach the copy of the same. Then enter the university college registrar details like name of the registrar, first name and the last name, branch, email ID, phone number and the mobile number. Read out all the self-declaration, that is all the above given information are correct. Then upload your signature and write the date on which date you are submitting. Then click on the submit button. Now the eligible candidates will be accessed based on the academic excellence, research involvement, co-curricular engagements and socio-economic status. Academic excellence considers factors like CGPA, participating in training, workshops, seminars, achievements, awards and honors. Research and co-curricular engagements looks at the participation in research initiatives, publications, scientific papers, prototypes, innovation, patenting and more. Socio-economic status looks into the financial situations of the candidate's family. Selection process includes academic performance, application credential, cognitive and technical assessments as well as problem-solving ability via innovation, challenges and smartathons. The Micron Foundation URAM Scholarship 2.0, it's not just a financial aid program, it is the platform to recognize and nurture the engineering excellence. If you are a passionate engineering student who meets the eligibility criteria, then this scholarship can be a ticket to your brighter future in the world of innovation and technology. Apply today and let your engineering dreams fly higher with Micron Foundation support. And don't forget to subscribe your channel. Signing off, take care.